In the age of artificial intelligence, many are asking, will machines replace us? Will technology leave humans behind? It's no longer just a question of if, but when. And more importantly, how will we adapt? What role will we have in a world where our jobs can be automated, our skills replicated, and even our decisions made by machines? These are the tough questions we'll answer today as we delve into the future of human work in the AI era. The traditional ways of earning income are being challenged, but there's hope. By understanding the 4 pillars of income and adapting our skills, we can not only survive, but thrive in the age of AI. Number 1. Labor. AI-powered machines, robots, and automation are already replacing jobs that require manual labor. Whether it's factory workers, truck drivers, or even customer service representatives, the automation of routine tasks is inevitable. But there's one aspect that AI can't replicate: human empathy. AI lacks the ability to truly understand and respond to human emotions in complex ways. That's why fields like healthcare, therapy, and education are still relying on human workers. Number 2. Intellect. For decades, mental labor was seen as a safeguard against job loss to machines. But with the rise of AI-driven tools capable of analyzing data, making decisions, and performing tasks once considered highly specialized, the landscape is shifting. So how do we fight back? The key is to focus on skills that require a human touch. Critical thinking, creativity, and decision-making that AI can't replicate. Number 3. Capital. Having capital is one of the best ways to build wealth. AI can help with financial decisions, but it doesn't replace the need for strategic long-term thinking when it comes to investments. While AI can help you manage your finances or predict stock trends, you still need to possess the knowledge and foresight to make the right moves with your money. In the next section, we'll dive into building investment skills. Number 4. Social connections. Lastly, human relationships are irreplaceable. Whether you're in a professional setting or a personal one, AI cannot replicate the depth and trust built through human interaction. Building a personal brand and growing your network will help you protect your job, gain new opportunities, and achieve greater success. As we move further into the digital age, the importance of connections only grows. Now that we've broken down the pillars of income, let's explore how to protect and enhance them. We must think ahead, not just about surviving, but about thriving in this evolving environment. The best way to prepare for the AI takeover is by focusing on areas AI can't touch and making sure you stay ahead of the curve. Number 1. Enhancing your emotional intelligence, EQ. AI can understand human emotions the way people do. In fact, many of the roles that will remain relevant in the future will be those that require empathy and emotional intelligence. Think of healthcare professionals, teachers, social workers, and therapist roles that deal with people's feelings, their problems, and their well-being. You can take EQ-based courses. There are plenty of courses available to improve your emotional intelligence. Look into platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, or Udemy for EQ training. Practice active listening. Being able to listen, understand, and provide emotional support is crucial. Improve your active listening skills by engaging in meaningful conversations and being genuinely present in the moment. Mindfulness techniques. Mindfulness training helps increase emotional awareness, which can improve decision-making and interpersonal interactions. Start practicing daily mindfulness or meditation to improve your emotional control. Number 2. Building complex decision-making skills. While AI can help analyze data and provide recommendations, it can't replace human judgment in complex, uncertain environments. Humans are exceptional at understanding the nuances of a situation and making decisions with incomplete information. That's a critical skill that we need to hone. You can develop critical thinking. Engage in activities that challenge your thinking, like playing strategy games, chess, Go, etc., or solving complex puzzles. Study decision-making models. Learn about decision-making frameworks like SWOT analysis or the OODA loop. Observe, orient, decide, act. Continuous learning. Stay up to date with emerging trends in your industry and understand how to apply new knowledge to real-world scenarios. Number 3, building investment skills for wealth creation. Building wealth isn't just about saving money. It's about making your money work for you. Investing is an essential skill to ensure financial independence in the AI era, where automation and AI tools may drive income for those who know how to leverage capital. You can learn the basics of investment. Start by reading books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki or The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. These foundational texts provide a solid understanding of investing and financial freedom. Start small, think big. Begin with a small amount of money to invest in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Platforms like Robinhood, E*Trade, and Charles Schwab allow individuals to start investing with as little as $1. Look into real estate. Real estate is another strong avenue for wealth creation. You don't need to buy an entire building. There are investment platforms like Fundrise or Real-Time Mole that allow you to invest in real estate properties with small amounts of money. Explore cryptocurrency. Though more volatile, cryptocurrency is another form of investment to consider. Understand the risks and benefits before diving in and start by researching Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets. Number 4, building a personal brand and expanding your network. As A can't replace relationships, one of the most critical things you can do today is to build a personal brand that highlights your skills and expertise. Networking and relationships are key to gaining new opportunities, even in an A-driven world. You can start with social media. Create and share content on platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, or YouTube. Share your expertise, thoughts, and ideas about your industry. Attend networking events. While it's easier than ever to connect online, face-to-face networking remains essential. Attend events and meetups that are relevant to your industry. Personal website. Having a personal website that showcases your skills, experience, and portfolio is a powerful tool. Platforms like WordPress or Squarespace can help you easily create your own site. Collaborate and share knowledge. Partner with others in your field on collaborative projects or guest posts. Sharing knowledge and resources can significantly expand your network and brand visibility. Conclusion: the AI era is about adaptability. The AI revolution will inevitably change the job market. While some tasks will be automated, others will emerge that require distinctly human skills. The most important thing is to stay adaptable. Focus on emotional intelligence, complex decision-making, financial literacy, and building social connections. These are the areas where I can't replace you. By honing these skills, building your personal brand, and continuing to learn and grow, you can ensure that you not only survive, but thrive in the age of AI. The future is uncertain, but by staying prepared, you can shape your own success.